Yeah, I didn't have the mic on. Nathan will get mad at me tonight for that. So we're going back to that place that we were. Sunrise looking cool. We got about 10 minutes till it actually rises. And I'm a little tired.
I feel great.
Nathan feels great. Alright, back in the car. Nate, what'd you think?
That was good.
Got some nice sunrise shots. Now where are we going?
I'm going home so I can dry my shoes.
The tide, it's no joke. The tide is changes very quickly. We kind of came close to losing that GoPro, I feel.
No, we didn't.
Nate doesn't think so.
Hey, Ben.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, let's go fly the drone, eh?
Hey.
You go for a rip with the drone?
Let's go for a rip, bud.
Okay, we're off to go see if we can hike anywhere at the headquarters. Just finished our drone shooting. Ben's putting on his little shoesies over there. Let me use this power zoom function. Yeah, look at that guy. So yeah, me and Brad here are gonna see if we can go hike some trails, hopefully. Not a lot appear to be open, but we'll have to see what we can find. Here's what's up. So nothing's open because it's winter. Apparently that affects things. So we pretty much have no reason to be in the park.
It's not winter anymore, it's spring.
Pretty much winter, it's cold.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go drive on some random roads. We're looking to go to a covered bridge and a waterfall. And
Oh, look, there it is.
explore. You know, no, that's Point Wolf.
Okay, never mind.
So yeah,
Not
you're
it.
wrong. So yeah, we'll see you at the covered bridge.
Eat it. Alright, so we're at the 45, we're on the 45 road. Turns out it's not plowed. This is what it looks like. We tried to go. You might be able to see. Yeah. So this is more bad news. This is just a bad news story, really, isn't it?
Bad news bears.
So we're gonna continue up the Barrett Road.
We are? That way?
Yeah.
We are.
Aren't we?
Okay.
We're gonna go see that lake.
Okay.
See if it's any good.
Okay. Okay. See you there, question mark. Alright guys, welcome to Plan D here. A lot of you guys are familiar with Plan B, but we're talking about Plan D today. I'm just here to drop Ben off at his summer camp. Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful, crisp summer day. We're just going to have to walk up the lane. They told us we can't park at the facilities. I don't know why. So, yeah, we're going to go to the lake today. Yay. Ben, you excited for summer camp?
I'm super excited.
Yeah, you're lucky. Saved a lot of money for you to go this year.
Yeah,
so.
thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
How do you react, Nate?
I don't think he'll be going to camp here next year.
Why not? It's so beautiful.
It's almost May.
We're getting fed up.
No hiking, no waterfalls, no covered bridges, no lakes. Can't even find a decent lake.
So,
Everything sucks.
everything sucks. We're on plan H now.
How are we?
I have no idea. We're on plan probably something halfway
I think it
through
was E.
the alphabet. I don't know where we are. Yeah, the lake sucks, so we're going. Nathan wants to see a falls, and I agree. We gotta see a falls.
I'm here to take waterfall pictures.
So we're gonna go through because we can't get to any of the falls that are in the park. So we're gonna go through the park. We're gonna go to a place called Gordon Falls, which is near Elgin, and then maybe if we can get there, and then if we can't get there, then we're gonna go to another place that's like 20k from there, that's past Sussex, but I don't know.
Or we'll just send it 80 miles.
I don't think we're gonna do that.
I think we should send it 80 miles.
Okay. Hey everyone! We found a waterfall. It looks really nice. It seems like people hate that people come here because there's no parking signs everywhere. Every house has a no trespassing sign on it, which is like, I mean, it's fair. But we want to see this.
You wanna know what my favorite part of waterfalls are?
What?
My favorite part of waterfalls are when you're sitting down there and you can feel all the cool air and it's not because of wind. That is my favorite part. It's like a calm pool. You know, it's like you have like a humid heat. It's a humid cold. I like that. It's fun.
Okay.
I like that. Still didn't like that.
We decided to head out to Petticodiac because we need some Timmy Hortons, eh? Alright, confession time. We got to Petticodiac. I got some Timmy. I realized that I left my tripod in the woods.
How many tripod issues is that? How many times have you done something?
So,
oh shoot.
It's a few times. So, we're gonna go back. It's not super far. It's just
a half-hour drive.
It's not a half hour.
A half-hour drive. Embrace the struggle. Overcome your fear.
So we made it. We're at Smith Falls. Nathan doesn't like it when I say we made it. That's okay. Nathan's shooting some long exposures. It'll probably be cool. I don't have a filter, an ND filter, so I can't really do it. But that's okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy some more waterfall action.
Oh yeah, that's when I totally did that thing you said. You told me not to.
We're making food. Nathan got 2 different kinds of sidekicks so that we'd have to use 2 pots. I don't know if I have 2 actual cups of milk.
That's what I asked you.
We also have chicken strips. Ah! What's up? What's the point of this rip thing if it's not gonna rip? There's only 2 of us here. We had fettuccine alfredo yesterday, man. Alright, now we wait for that to cook. That's so foolish.
Saute.
What'd you say?
Saute.
I have a drink.
Yeah, it's on for once?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it's sunset time. Okay, great. Oh!
I can't seem to watch you go. Just stay, just stay one more minute.
Yeah, that's true. Do you want me to pick
What's
that?
up?
Should I just... Let's go. We're not going to do a review?
No. I'm just gonna eat it. Thanks for watching. Is that it?
That could be it, yeah. Now give me some Kit Kat.
I can't seem to watch you go. Just stay, just